Good morning, you beautiful people. You're there. Good morning. Let me know that you can hear me okay. Wow, we've got a great turnout this morning. Rose, what are you doing up? What are you doing up? Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how that sounds and feels. Let me know what you think about this platform. Claire and I, you tested it, me and you tested it the other morning, and it didn't quite work. But the day later on, it did work. And I really like this setup. Please let me know if this was easy, and it's most importantly that you get the chat fast. That's a big ask, to get the chat in the right place and fast. So let me know if it sounds okay. Oh, good, yeah. We did some more testing with it, and I really like it. Let me know. Was it easy to get going with it all? Let me know. I want some low impact this morning. That's what I want. I want this. Good morning. Oh, I love it when the chat comes fast. That's awesome. Look how many people are on. That's amazing. Oh, wow. We're going to have a great day. We are Lift Lean today, guys. Everything's Lift Lean. We're focused on our nutrition, our water. We're going right down 1,800 calories. Let's go. Synchronize your watches. 6:05. Let's do it. March it out. Pump up your arms. Pump up your knees. Let's do it. Got 3 little easy WALKFIT blocks of choreography. Give me a box step. Right leg forward. Good again. And a thumbs up that everything sounds okay, looks okay. We're in the Barbie pink today. It's all about Barbie. One more. Give me a march forward. Here's 1, 2, 3, and hold. Good morning, Amanda. Walk back. Now hold. To get you down, down, down. Good. Now hold. Good. Walk back. Hold it. Walk out for 2. Out, out, in. So we used this setup yesterday for Pilates and WALKFIT. Worked well. Down, down, down. One more. Give me a box step. Walk forward. Here we go. Walk, 2, 3, and hold. Michaela, good morning. You are just in time. Walk forward. March. And again, Michaela, I know you had some issues with it buffering on the other system. Let me know how this goes. Walk. Good, and hold. Walk back. Now hold. March it out. 2 counts. Out, out, in. 2 more. 1 more. Give me a box step. Box. Good. Nice and low. Just start to bend a little bit deeper. So while we're doing our WALKFIT, I want you to really focus on your mindset this morning, today. Healthy all the way. Walk forward. Let's go. 1. Hold it. Rose, you're live. I know. What time is it in the Bahamas? It must be about 2 in the morning. 1 more. Hold. Take a box step. Right leg forward. 2 more. 1 more. Single knee. Knee change. Knee. I'm going to reduce the knees because I know it gives us less steps. 1 more. Walk forwards. 1. Gonna give you 1 AM. Walk back. Hold. March it out for 2. Out, out, in. To get you down, down, down. Box step forward and box step back. Get you down, down, down. Now back. I do feel very Barbie in this outfit this morning. 1 more. Now take a walk around for 8. Down, 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 down. Reach it up, both arms. Reach, reach. Walk left. Let's go. 1. Go up. Lift. Walk around again. Let's go. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift, lift. Walk around to the left. 1. Take it up. Lift. Yes. Come on. We're looking good, everybody. 1. It's going to be a beautiful day. Sun is shining. Walk around to the left. 1. To get you down, down, up. Lift. Now take a walk forward. Let's go. 1. Hold it. Walk back. Now hold. Do it again, walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Down, down, down. Hold. March it out for 2. In. 1 box step. 1 back. And again. 1 more. Walk around in a circle. Lourdes, have you got the emojis on this system? Can you do the purple hearts? Walk around to the left. 1. Reach it up. Do it again. And again, let's go. Walk round. I want you. Lift. Arms up. Walk round left. 1. Let's just show you. Lift. Now step tap forward. 1. March back. 8, 7, 6, 5. Do it again. 1. Get to show. Yes, Lourdes. Woo! 1 more time. 1. Show you. Walk back. And again. Step tap. Walk back. All the way back. 1 more. I want you. Good. Walk back. Now we put it all together. Walk forwards. 1, 3 and hold. Walk back. Now hold. Do it again. Walk. Good. Hold. Walk back. Hold it. March it out. Out, out, in. Good. Out, out. Box step forward. I want you so hard and inside of me. 1 more. Walk around. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift. And again, walk around. Good. And up. And again, walk round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Up and up. Walk around to the left. 1, 3, 4, 5. Still inside of me. 1 more. Let's go. This is awesome. This is the most we've had in a morning for ages. Has everyone checked in? I need to see absolutely everybody today. So playing up. Step knee. Knee and change. Step knee. 3 repeaters. 3, 2, 1. Change. 3. And again, 3 repeaters. I can't stop. 1 more. 3. Good. Walk round. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, up. Walk around to the left. Wow, even more. As you're coming in, check in. Let me know that you're there. I need to see your name. Here we go. Walk around. Arms up. Walk around to the left. 1. Good, and lift from the top. Walk forward. 1. Hold it. Helen's here. It's on. And again. Walk. Helen, what do you think of this system today? 1 more. Take it out. 2 counts. In. 2 more wide. 1 more. Here we go. Box step. Right leg forward. Right leg back. Stop singing. 1 more. Walk around. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, up. And again, walk around to your left. 3, 4. Good. Up, up. Walk around again. Let's go. Da, 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 da. Lift. Up. Walk again. 1. Good. Lift. Good. Step knee. I can't stop. Knee lift. 3 repeaters. 3, 2, 1. Change. 3. And again, 3 repeaters. 3, 2. Change. 3. And again, repeater. 3. I can't stop. 1 more. 3. Good, walk forward, let's go. 1, hold it. Walk back. Now hold it. Do it again. Walk up. 1. Good, and hold. Walk back. Hold it. March it out for 2. In. 2 more wide. 1 more. Here we go with the box step. Now back. 1 more. Have a walk around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach. Arms up. Now walk around to the left and check it out. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Living the tunes. Good, lift. Walk around to your right. Walk round. 5, 6, 7. Arms up, up. Walk around to the left. 1, 2, 5. Good, reach up, up. Single knee to chest. This is warm. Getting hot now. And again, single knee. Good. How's the sound quality? Good. Let me know. 1 more. Walk forward. 1. Hold it. Good. Walk back. Hold it. And again, guys, walk forwards. Good. Hold. Walk back. And hold. Good. 2 more. Let's go. Walk. Hold it. Good. Walk back. Hold it. March it out for 2. Out. You can make it. 1 more. Have a walk around. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I've just realised I put WALKFIT with weights. We'll have to do weights tomorrow. In my excitement. Good again. Walk around. Let's go. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift and lift. Sounds good. Walk around to the left. Looks brilliant live. Wow. Good. Lift up. Looks good. And again, walk around. 1. Good. Lift. Walk around to the left. 1. Lift. Good. Step knee to chest. If you're looking. Knee. If you say na na na. Knee, lift. 2 more knees. 1 more. Walk forward, go. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Walk back. 1, 4, hold. Walk forward. Good, walk back. Hold. Hold it out. Just reach. Wide march. And again, 2 more wide. 1 more. V step. V. And again, V step. We can make it. 2. 2 more. 1 more. Walk around. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach. Walk around to the left. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift. Walk around to the right. Lift. Walk around left. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Arms up. Single knee to chest. 1, change. 2, 3. And again, knees up. I am more than sweaty now, guys. Are you? Good, good. Last one. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Good, walk back. Hold. And again, here it is. 1. Now hold it. Walk back. Hold it. Take it out 2 counts. Out, out. Cha-cha. 1 more. Here we go with a box step. Right leg forward. Right leg back. Good. Walk around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach. Walk around to the left. Get up. Lift. Walk again. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift and lift. Walk around to the left. up, lift. And again, walk round. Up. And again, walk. Good, and lift. Step tap, step tap. Good, walk back. And again, here we go again, step tap, step tap. Walk back, yes. And again, step tap, one tap. Walk back. Woo! Easy walk, box. Do, 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 do. Now pump those arms. We are getting close to our 15-minute mark. Let's see. How did you get on? 2 more. 1 more. Have a walk forward. Go, go. 1. Hold it. Hold, walk back. Now hold it. And again, take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one back. Hold it. March it out. Yes. How do you feel? Let me know in the comments. I need to know how many steps. How was the experience using this software? Did it buffer? Was the chat easy to read? Did you stay in connection with the chat? Did you enjoy the class? Was it easy to find from the website, from the platform? All those things make a big difference to how you're experiencing Studio Live. I want to make it better and better. So it's really important to get your feedback. That's good. Woo! Feel good energy this morning. Elizabeth, good morning. I didn't see you earlier. Fantastic. Looking good. Enjoyed that. Well done, Amanda. Much prefer live than the replay. I know. Everybody says that. But how was it for you, Amanda? Did you use your portal or did you use your phone? How are you viewing me? Jane, good morning. Well done. All good this end. Up the road. Love Lakes of Party because I snooze. Michaela, easy to use than chat during. No buffering. Oh, winner. This streams at a lower rate. I've been talking to quite a few people about the Vimeo. It streams so high, which is, the quality is fantastic, but when you are streaming through 5G, 4G, some of people are on 3G, you just get that buffering. So it's a slightly lower quality, but I'm hoping you don't get any buffering. So it's a bit of a compromise when you live stream. Sound great, buffer once. Okay, using iPhone. Good. No phone, portal is rubbish. Feeling good. Rose did it. Gosh, Rose, 1 a.m. in the morning, just a couple of short buffers. Oh, that's good. That's better. Well done. Okay, let's see how we get on the next few classes. We've got Lift Lean Pump next. Going to do a Lift Lean Express 7:15, and then tonight live on Zoom though tonight, Funk It. So a bit of dance and a bit of interval. So it's a bit kind of lower. And then I'm going to do a Lift Lean check-in. 1,800 calories we're shooting for, guys. Come on, let's do this. Jane's on laptop. Okay, fantastic. Right, see you in a mo. Grab some water, grab a drink, and let's see how we get on the next session. Thanks, everybody. Much love.